Hello, this is John. So this is a part 2 already. So we already printed a design, if you can see it. Okay, so we've just print a white design over this aluminum foil. So after you print it, so you have to powder it. So this time we will do the manual. Okay, so alright, so after we put the powder, the next step is to cure it. So we have to manually cure it for now. So I'll put this in the conveyor dryer. Doesn't get in. Oops, shoot. All right. Sorry. The pen is a little bit bent, that's why it will not go into the conveyor. So let's see how it works. This would take maybe a little minute. So this is like the exhaust system that we built up here. So this time we are using a conveyor, a flat bed. This is a flat conveyor dryer because this is the old style, but still usable, you know. And people now like to buy the compact dryer. So the one that we are telling here is about the aluminum foil DTF printing. Like we would like to create an image here with like aluminum, right? That's how it will work. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So let's see when it came out here. By the way, so McLaud right now are selling the Narahosi printer, which is we are supporting the AcroRip and the CAD-Link software. So the CAD-Link software are really good for our printing right now. And if you can see now, the printer print faster compared than the AcroRip. And you can put multiple images. The color is vibrant. The color that are not uniform, that doesn't exist anymore in CAD-Link. So we have the OEM software, which is called Blank Rep. So that is the one that will be rolling out right now with the Narahosi printer. I hope you're gonna like it. It's more professional software. Thank you so much. And where is it right now? Almost there. Almost there. It's coming out. I like this exhaust system. So look at this. Look at this improvised jumping thing. Look at this. So when you are nobody attend. So when it drops here, it jumps here, it just stay there. It will not roll, so that it will not the film is there. So it's coming out now. Let's see how it works. So the next step is we will heat press this to a white shirts and to a black shirts. We will see how it works. Ooh, all right. So it's the same process of regular printing of DTF. You can use an oven, you can use anything that will cure your head press. And there you go. So let's inspect. Oh wow. So now as you can see, if I don't know if you can see it, but everything is cured already. So this is our transfer. So we will cut it and we will hit press this to the shirts and see the results. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much.